Inside of this Fortnite video, I'm going to teach you how to make an invincible spawn area or an invincible area in general. You will still take full damage unless you disable that in the island settings. To start off with, we're going to need a mutator zone. Let's go and put that into our game. So anywhere in this area, you're not going to take damage. What we're going to need to do is open up the settings. But before we get to that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite Island shop. Inside of here, we can either type it or look for it, but there is a section at the bottom called invincibility. We can turn this on, and whenever a person is inside of this, they won't take damage. Go ahead and just click on OK, and that will save your settings. Now inside of this area, we won't take damage. If you're an absolute beginner to Fortnite Creative, then I have a link in the description that will help you start making your own Fortnite maps.